at this. We have a lot of sea animal toys. Let's find crab. Crab. One. Let's see. Oh, I see another crab. Two crabs. Let's find the shark. Shark. This is shark as well. One more. This is third shark. Shark. Let's see. One more shark. And I see another shark. White shark. We have 5 sharks. Let's find the lobster. 1 lobster and 2 lobsters. We have 2 lobsters. Let's find the sea turtle. This is the first. Wow, amazing sea turtle. And one more green sea turtle. Let's find the whale. This is a whale. One more big whale. Whale. Let's find the dolphin. One. This is the second dolphin. One more dolphin. Blue. And let's find the octopus. Octopus. And one more octopus. Let's find the penguins. 2 penguins. Very nice. Let's find the walrus. 1 and we have 2. Second walrus. We have 2 walrus. Let's find the hammerhead sharks. Only one. We have only one hammerhead shark. Then we have orca. Starfish. How many stingrays we have? 1 and 2. 2 stingrays. We have 2 squads. 1, 2. 2 different squads. And seal. Seal. And last animal is sperm whale. Sperm whale. Last animal, we have a box of sea animals.